Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's video, I'll share with you another 11 items that are reselling on eBay right now and making from 35% profit to 58% profit. All of the items that I'll share with you are live on eBay now as I record this, and all are sold in the last 30 days. And I'll also show you all of the suppliers for all of the items. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for 23 years and I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. The first item for reselling eBay is a vacuum cleaner, and these are being sold on eBay for $297 and Target is selling them for $191. Notice also that Target has free shipping on orders over $45. Notice also that this seller is also charging an extra $65 for shipping on top of the price. Next is a Nintendo game, and they're being sold on eBay for $149.95 and Target selling them for $99 with free shipping. Notice that this seller has sold 888 of these. The next item is a Remington epilator, and they're being sold on eBay for $89.50 and they're being sold by Big W for $47.20. And notice this seller has sold 41 of them. Next item to resell on eBay is a drill press that's being sold on eBay for $234.95 and that's sold 21 times. And Bunnings is selling these for $129. The next item is a Ryobi drill kit that's selling on eBay for $284.99 and Bunnings are selling them for $199. Next item being sold on eBay is a bench grinder, and they're being sold on eBay for $197 and they're being sold by Bunnings for $119. And notice also that this seller is charging an extra $45 for shipping on top of the price. Next item that's sold on eBay is an electric toothbrush, and these are being sold on eBay for $596.95 and they're being sold by Shaver Shop for $389. Next item resell on eBay is a hair straightener, and they're being sold on eBay for $194.95 and they're being sold by Shaver Shop for $119. Next item for reselling on eBay is a portable karaoke speaker, and they're being sold on eBay for $169 and they're being sold by Big W for $109. Next is a Samsung Galaxy watch, and they're being sold on eBay for $499 and they're being sold by Officeworks for $297. Next is another Samsung Galaxy watch, and they're being sold on eBay for $478.99 and they're being sold by Officeworks again for $297. If you want to find more profitable items like these automatically to resell on eBay yourself, I have an entire free online step-by-step course teaching how to find these type of products and also how to fully automate the process so it runs without you. I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step-by-step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.